Cuma bagi saya is that the things that difficult untuk saya is that the first, let's say maybe the first 1 year, bila saya pergi New Zealand Red Bull Quiz Cup, let's say even like the British Super Championship BSB, saya tak tahu cakap English.
Okay.
So that's the issue. So it mean that kalau contoh pasal buy whatever, and then ayah saya kena translate to the mechanic.
Ayah okay. I mean at least ada basic good English or something.
So basically that one is the difficult part for me. So
Okay.
because out of other thing, kita tak nak cerita, but then for me the one that I struggle is that I cannot speak English. So even like okay, kita kawan, let's say saya dengan Jorge Martin or so on, kita orang gelak-gelak whatever, tapi biasa kita orang bercakap macam itik dengan ayam lah. Because like saya tak boleh cakap English, and then like probably that diorang pun Spanish is not the main language.
Betul.
Spanish is main language, but then English is second language. So untuk diorang pun is that Spanish, and then you are maybe 13, 14 years old, then that time maybe dia punya English pun not really good. So for me like more about language lah. And then macam saya is that because like bila saya kat sekolah pun saya bukan tahu pasal cakap English pun. But then the way that saya belajar English is not from school or internet whatever. Saya belajar English lebih kepada in daily life. Macam for example, sekarang ni saya lapar. So saya kena fikir apa nak cakap ni kalau tak dapat makan. Saya nak pergi toilet. Apa nak cakap ni kalau tak dapat pergi toilet. So it mean that saya just belajar like that. Macam I want to go toilet contoh. So basically that kind of thing yang the way that saya belajar.
Sesimpel mungkin.
Yeah. So sebab macam that time ayah saya cakap is like it doesn't matter if that person understand or not, just confident je. Just cakap dengan confident, dia faham tak faham is another story. So that's the way that I learn lah.